Nothing around us to be inspired like. From Aurangabad, nowadays you can see YouTube, you can see TV, you open television, you see a lot of stars around and you can get motivated. You see somebody and you get, affected by their presence. Similar manner, when we were there in school, just like you, we don't have even cricket team. The school which was having a basketball court, play court, but not a field like this. So we used to play football also on the same ground. We used to play cricket also on the same ground. We used to play basketball on the same ground. But one fine day, I happened to meet Sharma ji because he was there in Aurangabad for coach for Sports Authority of India. And there was a cricket team of ladies. Sharma sir, there used to be all ladies team in Aurangabad. In Aurangabad, there was a ladies team and he used to be coaching them regularly. That were the only players who were practicing regular cricket. Rest, all the other cricketers, they were playing only from tournament to tournament, matches to matches. There was no actually real nets. Now, what I see then and what is now is totally transformed in a manner where everybody, like you people, look like cricketers. When somebody sees you, you can immediately say you are a cricketer. A footballer has a different t-shirt and a shorts. Nowadays, with the attire, you can say what you are. But it's all in the mind. At that young age, all of you have to decide, like whoever is age 8 to 10, who are 8 to 10, can you raise your hands? Okay. Who is 12 to 14 in this? And beyond 14? So, beyond 14, whoever are there, up to 16, your bus has left for cricket. Because every state is having under 16 cricket. So, you have to now look for the other bus which is 19. Got it? So, what I am trying to say is, whoever is 8 to 10, they have got time on hand. They can work, they can plan, and they can very well achieve their dreams if they want to be. But whoever is growing up, a day gone, a day is minus from that 16 batch. Then the 19 batch. Earlier, anybody who used to make debut for country used to be around 25 plus 30. Now at that time, selectors are thinking of leaving them out. So, earlier there were not too many teams, not too many players. The same player used to get repeated. Nowadays, millions are playing. Okay? So who gets the nod? It is a mixture of hard work. It is a mixture of luck and performing at the right time when there is a place to be replaced. Because there are a lot of cricketers who keep performing over the years and they don't get chance. Reason being, the team is packed. That's the reason they can't enter. It is not that they don't deserve it, but it is all about playing 11 at a time. In every team, starting with school, then the club, then the district, it's all layer wise. So you should understand and you should learn every day. Not a single day should be wasted if you want to achieve something. So first thing is dreaming. Dreaming starts, anybody can dream, and whatever you want to dream, nobody can come in your way. Then to achieve that dream, you have to lay a roadmap. And for that purpose, you need assistance from your seniors or your coach or your teacher or whoever has achieved that part in the past. I'm not just talking about cricket. It is not just cricket, okay? Got it? I'm just talking generally. But whatever plan you have, you have to have a set time period. That in 3 years' time, you have to count it to 1,000 days. If you double it, morning and evening, you make it 2,000 days. Okay? In 3 years only. In 3 years, a person became graduate. You know what graduate means? Graduate means he is graduated. So every time you have to give yourself only 3 years. If you are 8 to 10, up to 15 you should be in the under 16 team. So that you can be under 15 as well as next year also you have ample opportunity to perform in the state team twice. If you are 12, 3 years means 15. If you are 14, 3 years means 17. You have 2 years, 19 in you. Always give 3 years. If you can't do or achieve in 3 years' time, better leave it and do something else. Don't just keep chasing for life. It is always you have to have your targets fixed at early age. Whenever you decide whatever you want to be, you have to share it with your seniors, elders, so that they can guide you in a proper manner.